till now we were using console.log to write anything on console. It was not writing anything on our HTML document. Next, we are going to see document.write method, which is used to write text, HTML element, and even JavaScript code directly into HTML document. So here we are creating a file for.html, and here within this file we are going to write our JavaScript code. So this is our emit code, and here after body section I'm giving script tag. Now here I'm not giving source because I'm going to write a JavaScript code here only. If we are writing JavaScript code in some other document, then we have to create a file with the help by putting extension.js, and we have to link that file with this HTML document. So till now we were using console.log, and here I'm printing hello JavaScript. So this thing was printing on our console. So this is our 4, and here it is not showing anything. When we right click on it, inspect, and here when we go to console, it has printed hello JavaScript. Now if we don't want to print it on console, we want to print here something on our HTML document. So what we have to do here is document.write, and here I'm giving hello JS. So it is not going to write anything on console. This statement will be printed directly in our HTML, not on console. This will be on console. Console.log statement will be on console, but this statement will be on our HTML document. So here when we refresh it, so here it is printed hello JavaScript, but the other statement which we have printed with the help of console.log is on our console window. So document.write is going to print our text on HTML document, and console.log is going to print it on console.